Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So I got these new car ramps from Garvee, and they sent these to me free of charge to try out. I absolutely use stuff like this, or can use stuff like this around the farm. So you can see there's two of them. They nest. They're heavy duty plastic, stackable like that. They got handles on the side, and they hold up to 12,000 pounds, I want to say. They provide a 6.7 inch lift under them. And so we're going to try them out here. Straighten my tires up here on the side-by-side and see if we can't drive up there on those and give you a look at what they look like here. So not quite as even as I'd like it to be right here, so we might get a little slippage. Let's see. So obviously, if you ever work with these, or if you haven't worked with these, you want to be as centered as you can. Keep them from kind of rolling on you. That one could be a little bit further over. Also block your wheels on the back. But you can see we got good heavy duty surface here. My plan is to use this on my SUV and also my tractors. So it's doing exactly what I hoped it would do. Gives me that room to get up in there and get some maintenance done, primarily for an oil change or something like that. But yeah, let's take a look at them here again. This is why it's good to have somebody else with you so you can make sure you get it square on there. I would take those off and repark that before I did anything. But you see the clearance that you get. Again, one of the things I think I like about it most is the fact that they're not super heavy. They're nestable. Throw them right back in the back of the side-by-side here, and I don't have to worry about too much storage being taken up out in the barn. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.